Hello! In the next 3 minutes, I'll show you everything you need to start using the TerraHunt app. We'll cover installation, sign-in, and launching your game. Let's get started. First, download the TerraHunt app from the App Store or Google Play. If you see a QR code on the screen, feel free to scan it or click the link next to this video. To use the app, you'll need an account. The fastest option is one-tap sign-in with your Google or Apple account. You can also register the classic way. Tap I don't have an account, enter your email and a password, and verify your email. After that, you can sign in. On first launch, the app will ask for 3 key permissions. Please allow all of them. Location, needed for the map and unlocking treasures at the correct spots. Camera, used to scan QR codes, take selfies, and complete photo challenges. Storage, used to download game data so you can play even without a signal. Without these permissions, the game won't work properly. After you sign in, you'll see the home screen with a list of events and categories. There are 2 ways to start a game. Public events. These tiles are visible right away, usually demo games sorted by distance from your current location. Feel free to try them. Private events. For your company or private game, open the Private Events tab. Enter the event code you received from the organizer. Either scan the QR code or type the alphanumeric code manually. Once you enter the code, you'll see your game detail page with a description, location, estimated duration, and number of treasures. Now, an important choice. You'll see 2 big buttons. Play starts the game immediately. The app downloads maps and images during play. Use this only if you've got a rock-solid signal and plenty of mobile data. Offline game, then play. This is strongly recommended. The app downloads everything in advance: texts, images, satellite, and outdoor maps. Your game will run faster and smoother, and it will work perfectly even with no signal. Offline mode saves your answers locally on your phone. As soon as you're back online, everything syncs automatically to the server. Quick tip: in the Profile tab, you can set your team name and add a photo. You'll also find your full game history with results. In Settings, you'll find Help, Support Contacts, and the option to sign out. That's it. Great job. Now go enjoy the game, outdoors in the field or virtually from anywhere. Good luck and happy hunting.